afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. So, since we have reached episode 100, we are going to change our podcast theme to horror. So, we already have two guests here today who will be sharing their horror experience. Before we started, could you guys please introduce yourself to the listeners?
Hello, my name is Haira Rahma Adila. You can call me Aira. I am also invited this podcast for sharing my horror experience. Thank you.
Okay, how are you? Next.
And I'm Amajida Quinta Yuwono. I usually called Queen, and I'm Instagram viewer of this podcast, and I've been invited to share my horror experience.
Hello, Queen.
Hi.
Okay, thank you guys for introducing yourself to the listeners. Since you already have introduced yourself, so let's start our horror stories from Ira's story.
Okay. One night, my family and I went to Magelang for vacation by car. I sit in the middle seat with my two brothers. And after a while, one of them fell asleep, and we both offered to move my sleeping sibling to the back seat. As we continue our journey, we passed a fast out-looking cemetery. After passing the cemetery, I looked out of the window on my right to see the moon. After seeing the moon, I saw myself in the glass. And then, upon close inspection, I saw a white figure to my left.
So there is a white figure next to you.
Yes,
What?
Then what happened?
that. And I tried to reach and touch it.
Huh? You tried to reach it?
Yes.
Why you? It's so creepy.
That's so
You're-
scary.
Yeah, you are so brave one.
How can you do that
Yes.
though? How can you do that?
But I felt nothing. And then I turned to my left, but there was nothing here.
So what you saw is a ghost.
Yes, and I could see my sibling hugging the front seat.
So it's not your siblings.
No,
Oh, so you don't know what that is? It's just like a white shadow.
yes, in the glass.
I still can't believe that you tried to.
You're
Yeah.
so brave for reach that thing, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
After realizing what had happened, I started to overthink things. And after realizing that the white figure I saw was not human, I tried to sleep and soon fell asleep. And after that incident, I didn't experience anything strange. So I assumed that the white figure was just hitching a ride to somewhere.
You really have positive thing.
Yeah.
But the white figure seemed embarrassed after realizing that I could see it.
Oh,
Okay.
so ghosts can feel embraced too, Jovita. I barely know that.
Me too.
Yes.
Okay, that's my story. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aira.
Oh my gosh, I still can't believe it.
That is
Okay.
so scary, guys. Wow.
So scary, but you're so brave.
Yeah, you're so brave.
Okay. Thank you, Ara, for telling your story. Ira's story is really chilling. Now we have another horror story and another horror experience shared by Quinta, which is equally terrifying and will make you all shiver. Okay, let's continue.
So guys, I will tell you my story. I didn't make this story up ya guys. At that time, I still in second grade of junior high school. And at that day I was having my period and woke up because I leaked. It was around 5:30 in the morning, and because I'm the only person that lived at that floor, the second floor, so I was responsible to turn on the lights and open the curtains. But I hadn't had time to turn on the lights and open the curtain because I was in a hurry to go downstairs and clean up myself in the bathroom. After I was done, I went back upstairs to get my dirty sheets. Because I hadn't turned on the light yet, it was still dark. But when I was turning on the light, while looking at the condition of my room, which was about 5 steps from the stairs,
So not really far, but
not really near but not really far.
Yes, yes.
Like you have 5 steps to get there.
Yeah, I can imagine it.
Yeah. Because it was already quite morning, so the light was quite bright through the curtains. I dimly saw a black female figure.
What?
Yeah, like a shadow with her hair down and her eyes glowing.
Is her hair
What would
just
you
like
do
me?
if you saw that thing?
I think I would run.
You would run, I would too.
I would run and go to somewhere that far from there.
Yes. But at that time I'm like I don't know what I saw.
Yeah.
Like she was squatting right on top of the menstrual.
So she was sitting
Squatting
squatting.
on top of the menstrual blood stain on the sheets.
That's really terrifying.
Yes, what would you do if you saw that?
I would run. I would run really, really fast.
Why didn't I? And
You
after
didn't?
I don't. No, I didn't. I didn't focus what I saw in front of me at that time. I tried to clarify my vision by turning towards the light switch
Okay.
and turn on the light. Like the light switch is
Right beside you.
like beside me. So I have to turn to switch on the lights
Okay.
and turn back to see what
What was
in my
there?
what in my room. But when I look back, while trying to process what I just seen while looking around my room, the figure didn't appear again. So it's gone.
So it's only appear when the room is dark.
Yeah. Like it's like we both shocked because we saw each other.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like it was in shock too because I saw it.
You saw her and she also saw you.
Yeah, and we both so shocked, get
Okay,
so shocked. But I start to clean out the dirty stain on my bed and took it to the bathroom. Like because I hadn't proceed what I just saw, so I'm not scared of it. Like
You're not scared of what you literally saw a shadow.
a shadow, a black shadow,
Yeah.
squatting on my menstrual blood stain.
Oh my god, that was real terrifying.
Yeah, that is really terrifying if I tell the story like here, like today. I tell the story. I tell the story. I get scared. But when I
Experience that.
when I experienced that, I didn't feel anything.
Oh my. Yeah, something is
Yeah.
like that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so from both of your experience, you have really given us the chills and made us imagine the scenes like so terrifying, so scary.
So terrifying.
We
So
also
scary.
learn some things like ghost, a ghost or something like that can feel when we try to touch it, and the ghost is also can looking at us.
Yeah, like we're in the same dimension at that time, you
Yeah.
know.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I feel scared of that
I still
story.
feel. I still feel it.
I still
I
fear.
think I'm gonna have a nightmare tonight.
Me too, me too.
Okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching this podcast from start to finish. The three of us are now signing off. Thank you. I'm Jovita.
I'm Quinta.
And I'm Aira.
See you.
See you.
Since we have reached
Kila, izin